Hey, Dr. Brandy Victory here. Today I just want to share with you a really quick and easy way that you can make a nut milk at home so you can avoid the boxed milks which have ingredients like gellan gum, xanthan gum, carrageenan, and those things can have a tendency to disrupt the microbiome and cause things like leaky gut. So you make these at home and you can be totally in control of what goes into your foods. So today we're starting with cashews. This is going to be a cashew nut milk. These cashews is a cup of cashews and they were soaked in water overnight. And then I just rinsed them off and they're ready to go. We're going to add that to 4 cups of water. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of maple syrup. You can opt out of that, it's not necessary. And then just a little dash of sea salt just to bring the flavors up. So we've got 4 cups of water, our cashews are going in. Our maple syrup is going in. I just put a little bit. There's no real measuring here because this is all to your taste. And a little bit of salt just to bring the flavors up. And then we're going to blend it up. Once we blend it, we're going to strain it through this nut milk bag. And if you don't have one of those, the other options are use cheesecloth or butter muslin. They both the idea is that you have something to strain your pulp out with. Once you've strained your pulp, you'll have the pulp left over and you can actually use that in other things. So I took my Brazil nut pulp and dried it out and made a flour out of it and used it in a recipe the other day. Or you don't have to dry it out and you can just put a little bit of honey on it and eat it or put it in a smoothie. So you don't have any waste and you don't have any unnecessary ingredients. Once it's blended, we're going to strain it through our nut milk bag. This is the fun part. I love this part. Just squeeze it out. And now you have your nut milk.